여러분 안녕하세요. 서울에 있는 나리학당입니다. After our fundamental course and business Korean course, we are now in the academic Korean course for students learning Korean. I have taught the students at universities for tens of years, so this course will be very helpful for you. Out of our 3 courses, fundamental, business, and academic, this is academic Korean course for students learning Korean. These are the contents covered by this course. When you are going to work or study in Korea, you may need to obtain a TOPIK score in most cases. If you have a high-level certificate, you will get more benefits. TOPIK 2 covers level 3 to level 6. TOPIK 2 covers 104 questions. 60 minutes will be given for 50 listening questions, 50 minutes for 4 writing questions, and 70 minutes for 50 reading questions. You need to get minimum 120 points for level 3 certificate, 150 points for level 4, 190 points for level 5, and 230 for level 6 certificate. Total 50 questions are given in the listening test. A half of them are of level 3 to 4, and the others are of level 5 to 6. As the question number increases, difficulty level gets higher. In most questions, the answer hint is included in the passage, therefore, you should listen to it carefully. Here are the patterns of questions. Question number 1 through 25 are of the level 3 to 4, and the number 26 to 50 are of the level 5 to 6. For question number 1 through 20, the passage is output once only, so you need to carefully listen. From question number 21, it is output twice. In many cases of the latter part of listening test, the type of passage is informed. It may be a dialogue, interview, lecture, news, documentary, culture program, and others. Here you can see the tips for each pattern. For question number 1 through 3, you are asked to pick up the picture or graph matching with the passage. You should listen to the core verb carefully in the dialogue and try to catch the location and the relation of speakers. For question number 4 through 8, the questions ask what the other speaker will say in the dialogue of 2 people. Grasping the context, you should pay attention to what was said just before and try to catch the location and the relation of speakers. For question number 9 through 12, the questions ask what action will be done by the woman or man. The contents are mostly about request, suggestion, instruction, advice, and others. You should pay more attention to the latter part of dialogue and check the grammar and expression related to the action. For question number 13 through 16, the questions ask to choose the same content as the passage. The given content may be about routines or professional theme, including opinion exchange, notice, purpose, interview, and others. You should carefully listen to the core verb in the dialogue. Try to catch the location and the relation of speakers, and if it is difficult for you to choose the answer, exclude wrong answers one by one as the alternative way. For question number 17 through 20, the questions ask to choose the main idea of the man or the woman. There may be some repeated word, which is possibly the main theme. In many cases, the man has different idea from the woman's. Among the options, there may be the idea of the other gender. You should be careful not to choose it. And read the options quickly to predict the theme of the passage. For question number 21 through 50, each passage brings two questions covering interview, social issue, documentary, lecture, and others. The questions ask who the speaker is, what the man or woman does, which content matches with the passage, what the speaker's attitude is, what the man's or woman's idea is, what the previous content is, and so on. You should get familiar with a high-level vocabulary for intelligent knowledge and increase your reading speed through practices. Here is a quiz. After reviewing this lesson, please post your answer below this video. We will select several best students on a quarterly basis and send a gift. In this lesson, we reviewed the patterns of topic 2 listening and gave some tips. In the next class, we will go to Workbook 7I to review the writing section of topic 2. See you there. Bye-bye.